Yeah, g'day guys. Quick vid on airflow meters. The 5-pin type particularly, when cleaning them, just remember that that is the temperature sensor, and you actually need to clean in there. There's 2 resistors inside. It's not going to be easy for me to, yes it will. Oh no, yeah, maybe you can now. No, you can't see them, but when you look inside, you'll see them. It won't come up on the camera. Okay, and what you do, you clean it with your mass airflow meter, or brake cleaner's the same thing. Circuit board cleaner, and let it dry out or blow it out. Now, they're still dirty, they're very fragile, but you might need to get a little brush in there at some occasions. Also, another issue, a lot of times the O-rings are ripped. I'll always, especially in an old GT like this, I'll always put my Teflon around it. Where is it? I'm going to put a little bit of thread tape around there because it was quite loose and ill-fitting, misfitting. Anyway, yeah, that's about that. This car's got a partial misfire. The EGR's not working. So we're doing that. Had a K&N in it. It's just been serviced 2 weeks ago. Had a K&N in it. That's no good. This was filthy. That's not fixing it. The plugs were fucked. That's not fixing it. Thread on here was totally stripped. Fix that. That's not fixing it. Vacuum leak on the wastegate. That's not fixing it. And then on Friday, I found this hose tucked under the manifold. Okay, and honestly, guys, this is the STI basically. I know it's not, but it is. And if this is what my car's going to become, there's no fucking way I'm keeping it. It's a car from hell, right? We know that because we've shown you guys this. So these cars, like, if you're going to start getting, you know, low compression and stuff, dirty injectors, if you're going to start speculating on what's causing your problem, do a compression and leak down test first up. The reason I haven't done it here is because this. Oh, I set a timer. I did actually. I forgot to turn it off. Is that the plugs were fucked. It's just been serviced. It's overfilled with oil, but also when he came in, the misfire wasn't that bad. Now that I fixed things up, what people don't realise is the cars actually get worse, right? As you sort through things, they don't always get better. So there's a lot to do with fuel trims and stuff, but I'm just saying, like, this design of the TGVs and, you know, it's absolutely prehistorically horrible. And, you know, the access on this car is terrible. Not the EGR, but as in, if you're going to start thinking it's a blocked injector, I mean, how many blocked injectors have I seen in 27 years? Not many. So it happens, but that's the EGR. And it's not operating, so I have to test that. But yeah, if you're going to have an issue and your car is standard and you know a little bit, clean the airflow meter, change the cables to the map sensor, make sure that filter's not blocked, throttle body, vacuum leaks, but if not, go straight for a leak down compression test. If you've done that and your EGR is working with steps, check your timing belt, that it's not out one tooth. Also, these cars had a lot of ECM failures and also high RPM missing from camshaft sensors and stuff. When it gets to this, it's really horrible, absolutely horrible. When it gets like this on a Subaru, it's just no good at all. Okay, bye.